Welcome to our channel. Today, we're going to explore an intriguing topic that is not often talked about but plays a vital role in our daily lives. Are you curious about what would happen if there were no more trees? Could we survive without them? Tune in as we uncover the truth about life without trees and the impact it would have on our environment and society. Get ready to be surprised and informed. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more valuable content like this. Trees, often taken for granted, play a vital role in keeping the Earth's delicate ecosystem in balance. From providing life-giving oxygen to acting as a natural filter for pollutants, these towering giants are a crucial part of our environment. But their importance doesn't stop there. They also provide shade, act as a haven for diverse species, and prevent soil erosion. Imagine a world without them. Could we survive without trees? It's a question that may seem impossible to answer, but the truth may surprise you. Imagine a world without the towering giants that provide us with oxygen, act as a natural filter for pollutants, and provide a habitat for diverse species. Could we still survive in a world without trees? The answer is yes. Can you imagine a world without the towering giants that provide us with oxygen and clean air, and act as a natural filter for pollutants? A world where the temperature is unbearably hot, the air is thick with pollutants, biodiversity is scarce, and natural resources are scarce. It may sound like a science fiction story, but it could be our reality if we continue to neglect the importance of trees. Trees are not just a beautiful addition to the landscape. They play a crucial role in maintaining the delicate balance of our environment. They provide oxygen and remove carbon dioxide from the air, acting as a natural filter for pollutants, providing shade and cooling the air, and acting as a habitat for a wide variety of animals and plants. They also play a major role in the water cycle, helping to regulate the availability of water and prevent soil erosion. These services that trees provide are vital for the survival of many species and human activities as well. But the importance of trees doesn't stop there. They also play a major role in the global economy. For example, the logging industry relies heavily on trees' availability of raw materials. The loss of trees would greatly reduce the availability of wood and other forest products, which would have a major impact on the forestry industry and the many other industries that rely on it. This includes paper production, furniture manufacturing, and construction. Agriculture is another industry that would be greatly impacted by the loss of trees. Trees play a vital role in the water cycle and help to prevent soil erosion. Without trees, the availability of water and fertile land for agriculture would be greatly reduced, leading to a decline in food production. This could cause food shortages and food price inflation and could lead to economic instability. Tourism is another industry that would be significantly impacted by the loss of trees. Trees play a major role in the aesthetic of the landscape, and their failure would greatly impact the tourism industry. Many people visit forests, parks, and natural landscapes for their natural beauty and serenity. The absence of trees would significantly reduce the appeal of these areas as tourist destinations. This would lead to a decline in tourism, which could have a significant impact on the economy, especially in rural areas. Climate regulation is another area where trees play a crucial role. Trees absorb carbon dioxide and release oxygen, helping to regulate the Earth's climate. The loss of trees would contribute to global warming and would have a major impact on the global economy. The increase in temperature, droughts, and floods caused by the loss of trees would have a major impact on agriculture, energy consumption, and many other industries. Other products that we rely on, such as rubber, chocolate, and coffee, are also derived from trees. Without trees, these products would become much more expensive and less available. This could lead to shortages and economic instability. Overall, the loss of trees would have a significant negative impact on the global economy and the livelihood of people who depend on industries that rely on trees. It's important to realize that the value of trees is not just in their natural beauty, but also in the many resources and services they provide. Without trees, our world would be a vastly different and less sustainable place. It's important to protect and maintain the existing trees and to continue to plant new ones for the overall well-being of the planet and its inhabitants. In addition to the environmental and economic impacts, the loss of trees would also have a significant social impact. Many cultures and traditions have spiritual and symbolic connections to trees. The loss of trees would not just lead to the loss of natural beauty, but also the loss of cultural heritage, traditions, and memories. Overall, the loss of trees would have a significant negative impact on the planet and human society. It's important to protect and maintain the existing trees and to continue to plant new ones, to ensure the overall well-being of the planet and its inhabitants. It's important to remember that trees are not just a part of the landscape, they are essential for our survival and well-being. The fate of our planet and future generations rests in our hands. The loss of trees may seem like an inevitable outcome, but it's not too late to make a change. Imagine a world where the air is clean, the temperature is regulated, and biodiversity thrives. It may seem like a utopian dream, but it's within our reach. By protecting and maintaining the existing trees and planting new ones, we can ensure a sustainable future for ourselves and the planet. But that's not all. Even small changes in our daily lives can make a big difference. Reducing our paper consumption and supporting sustainable products are simple yet powerful actions that can help to protect the environment and preserve the natural resources we depend on. Every little bit helps, and together, we can make a real difference. Don't wait, take action now and be a part of the solution.